Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11 and improve your internet connection step by step. These tips can help you get a faster and more stable Wi-Fi connection on your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First, make sure your computer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Network and Internet from the menu on the left. Next, select Wi-Fi and click on your connected Wi-Fi network. Check the connection details to make sure your computer is connected to the correct network. One of the best ways to improve Wi-Fi performance is to update your Wi-Fi driver. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Find your wireless network adapter, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and allow Windows to check for available updates. If a newer driver is available, Windows will install it automatically. Another way to improve your Wi-Fi speed is to change your computer's power settings. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager again. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Click on the Power Management tab. If you see the option Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, uncheck it, then click OK. You can also improve your connection by moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. Walls, furniture, and other electronic devices can interfere with the wireless signal. If your router supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, connect to the 5 GHz network when you're close to the router for faster speeds. Finally, restart your router and your Windows 11 computer. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary network problems. After making these changes, open your web browser and test your internet speed to see if your connection has improved. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to increase Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.